To make a good opinion statement or thesis statement, you need three main parts: the topic, your opinion on that topic, and your reasons for having that opinion. The first step is to identify your topic. An easy way to do this is to look at your original question and identify the main verb. Then, turn that main verb into its gerund form, the ing form of the verb. So in the question, do you think students should study abroad? The main verb here is study abroad. So if I turn it to its gerund form, I have studying abroad. Now keep in mind, gerunds do use the third person singular form of the verb. So here I have studying abroad is. The next step is to give our opinion. Is it good or is it bad? So I have studying abroad is good. Now, good is a basic adjective. If you want to level up your adjectives, check out my video above where I go through 20 alternatives to 10 basic adjectives. Next, we have to give our reasons for our opinion. If you're speaking, aim for between 1 and 2 reasons. And if you're writing, challenge yourself to 2 to 3 reasons. You want to introduce your reasons with the word because and then list your reasons. So now I have studying abroad is good because you can improve your English and meet new people. Now, if you want to take your opinion statement up a notch, consider adding a discourse marker to the beginning of the statement. You might want to say, in my opinion, from my perspective, from my point of view. Finally, we have, in my opinion, studying abroad is good because you can improve your English and meet new people. Now, if you want to learn how to take a good thesis statement and turn it into a great introduction paragraph, check out my video above and consider subscribing to my channel for more English tips and lessons just like this.